Baby Doll Love here. Welcome to my nursery for Theme Thursday, and today's theme is Winnie the Pooh or animal prints. And I didn't have any Winnie the Pooh, but I have a baby piglet outfit that Lavender's wearing. It's a cute little jacket, and it says Baby Piglet, and then it came with these matching pants. And she's wearing a cute baby piglet hat. And Lavender has her baby piglet Lovey with her, so she's loving her little Lovey there. And Lavender is wearing an animal print, little wild one, onesie underneath. And this is by Carter's. And then Ashley here is wearing animal print. She is wearing a long sleeve onesie, and it's by Garanimals, and we got it from Sweet Auntie Beth. And she's wearing some matching socks with animal prints on them, so she's looking really cute. And here is the back of Lavender's baby piglet outfit. It's got a little fuzzy piglet there on the back of her bottoms. She's looking so cute. Well, thanks for watching, guys, today. Have a lovely Thursday. Many blessings from Baby Doll Love.